Hey everybody, it's Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today's vehicle for sale is the brand new all-electric vehicle from Mercedes-Benz. This is the 2023 EQS 580 4MATIC sedan. This comes in an all-black exterior with a black interior. Got heated and ventilated seats for both driver and passenger. We've got the premium Burmester sound system upgrade in this vehicle. LED ambient lighting throughout, fully customizable within the menu system. Driver's seat. I'm a big fan of these pillow cushions, super comfortable on long car rides. Sunroof here. Go ahead and hop inside. Quick look at our steering wheel. And we do have a push button ignition. Huge touchscreen display. Currently showing navigation, radio, backup camera. Climate menu. Can easily control multi-zones, air quality settings, even pre-entry climate controls. Lots of really neat features. We'd love to walk you through. Just feel free to set up an appointment with us on our website. Go for a test drive and show you some of these great features. We do have a wireless charging pad for a cell phone here, cup holders, USB connections. You can adjust between the different traction and transmission modes. Center console storage with more USB connections. And your shifter. Just love those LED lights. Really easy to customize too. That's just within your comfort menu here. You've got massaging seats, all kinds of seat settings here. Fully customizable, and your ambient lighting. Okay, go ahead and hop out, show you a little bit more of this vehicle. Don't mind the cardboard there on the bottom, that's just to protect the floor there. Heated and ventilated seats here in the rear as well. More of those Burmester sound system speakers. More nice cushy pillows for you. We've got rear climate control here as well. There's one more quick peek up front. You can see that huge touchscreen display. Super cool. You definitely feel like you were in a spaceship when you're riding around in this vehicle. And coming around to the back, we've got our EQS 580 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, and a power opening and closing trunk. Lots of storage space here, and push button to close. Now, if you're interested in getting additional information about this 2023 Mercedes-Benz EQS 580 4MATIC, we'd love to work with you. Feel free to reach out to us on our website, feldmannimports.com.